Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi as well as Mamata Banerjee convening a virtual meeting with chief ministers of all Congress-ruled states and as well as Jharkhand to demand the postponement of the NEET and JEE exams to be held in September. They'll also be talking about other issues such as GST as well. Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu for more on that. Before that, let's just take a look at what the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal had said, where he defended the centre's move to push ahead with the exams, saying that in fact many students and parents want the exams to be held on time.
बहुत अभिभावकों के और छात्रों के लगातार हम पर दबाव रहा, साहब आप नीट की परीक्षा क्यों नहीं करा रहे हैं, आप जेईई की परीक्षा क्यों नहीं करा रहे हैं। अभिभावक इतना परेशान थे कि बच्चा कब तक पढ़ता रहेगा, क्या होगा आखिर, ये इसका तो कोई समय जो है होना चाहिए।
Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu for more on this. Sunil, tell us some more about this virtual meeting that's going to take place of chief ministers. What time is it? And also Mamata Banerjee and Sonia Gandhi have convened this meeting. And why isn't Maharashtra participating?
Well, Gargi, firstly, I heard, and that is, of course, an emotive issue about exams being postponed. And you heard these children speak because they have serious concerns about their health. Having said that, and the chorus is, continuing to grow from Naveen Patnaik to various other people who might not be on this platform that you're talking about with Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee. But it's definitely something that is an emotive issue. They have made a political demand. And they hope that the government will see reason because public health is of priority. Apart from, as they say, these leaders have alleged, apart from clapping hands and lighting lamps, we owe it to our children. So it's in that context that they're requesting a postponement. Now to get to the other aspect, and that is about this political meeting, they very categorically say that both Sonia Gandhi as well as Mamata Banerjee have been in the forefront. They would have ideally liked the CPM, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, to be also part of it in Kerala. But because of the fact that the Congress state unit is opposed to it, they have not invited him to be part of this entire deliberations, though they are very much in consonance with these issues that they are raising. The other, of course, being, as you rightly pointed out, Maharashtra Chief Minister, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, who is still not yet confirmed and is not yet going ahead on this matter. But the fact is that apart from the exams, the main important issue is the federal structure, federal finances, the devolution of funds to the state. As per the 14th Finance Commission, it needs to be around 42%. That is not happening, as well as apart from the fact that the GST compensation which has been passed, that they are now what is called a sovereign default, has been argued by the Punjab Finance Minister. So it's in that context that they are meeting today, hoping to get that much required support. If you recall, the Prime Minister used to say the chief ministers are the pillars of democracy, the 30 pillars who will stand by. It's in that context now that these chief ministers are raising their banner of concern, which will have an effect on India's federal structure. The fact that during the pandemic, they're not getting money, forget GST for that matter, but they're not getting basic money, as they say. How do you expect us to run our hospitals, our schools, and other basic infrastructure when we're not getting finances from the state? And it's in that context that ahead of the GST meeting, which is being held tomorrow, these chief ministers, along with their political leaders, are meeting to try to find a way forward.